Aspiring to become a data science professional, the University of Southern California's MS in Applied Data Science could be your gateway to a high-impact career. Located in Los Angeles, USC provides both academic rigor and industry connections. Let's talk about the investment. The first-year tuition fees cost around $40,688, which is round off to 35.16 lakhs. The cost per credit is $2,354, which is round off to 2.03 lakhs, consistent with the overall program fee. The housing costs $13,050, which is round off to 11.27 lakhs, and the health insurance costs $3,040, which is round off to 2.62 lakhs. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria of this course. You require a bachelor's degree in engineering or a related field with a minimum GPA of 3.0. Must have a background in statistics, mathematics, or computer science. For English proficiency requirements, you must have cleared any one test of these three: TOEFL IBT with 90 percentile, IELTS with 6.5 bands, and PTE with 61 points. And there is an application fees of $90, which costs around 7,778 rupees, and there is no requirement of GRE. Now, let's talk about the important dates for the application of this course. For Spring 2026 intake, the application deadline is September 1, 2025, and for Fall 2026 intake, the application deadline is December 15, 2025. This is a 2-year full-time STEM-designated degree requiring 32 credits, covering advanced topics in data science, machine learning, and big data systems. And here's the good news. All the admitted students are automatically considered for the Dean Scholarship, awarding between $5,000 and $20,000 based on merit. Explore full program details including courses and application instructions on our website. Everything you need is just a scroll away. Best of luck with your application. This guide is here to help you take the next big step towards a transformative career in data science at University of Southern California.